Hello GFI members, once again welcome to Member Growth Series. Today we're going to be talking about how you can download and access all the templates that are being shared for you. See, when you look at these documents such as PDF files, they are actually easily downloadable. Okay, just below the document you can go and find this download option, and then you can just click on that document. The document is downloaded to your system. Right, so what about these Excel templates? Let's say you're looking at getting your numbers right. Okay, so we have a ratio document given here which you can download, but most importantly we have given you a typical document where the budgeting, the P&L and all actually is worked out. So most of you want to definitely edit this document and want to make use of this document. See, we have not enabled the editing option here because it is a Google sheet. If you make any changes, the changes will be accessible for other members also. It will create a lot of confusions. So all that you have to do is listen to this very carefully. Just very simple, dear friends. Just go to File, go to Download, right? And Microsoft Excel. Or if you want another format, you can click that too. Let me just do this again. You're opening this document. Just go to File, Download, and Microsoft Excel. And as you click on that, as you can see, the document is downloaded. Now you can access this in your computer. Similarly, let's say you wanted to check this marketing scale-up systems. We would have given some insights, some PDF documents which you can download. Below that, you can see that we have another document where we have this marketing report all-in-one document. You would definitely want your team to use this reporting template as well. Very simple. It's got two sheets. Same thing, just go to File, go to Download, and click on Microsoft Excel. Hope and believe you like this. A lot of content coming your way. Stay tuned. Bye bye.